Dear friends, yesterday I found out on the news that one of the greatest investor in America, Carl Icahn, he has bought 30 plus, almost like 33 million shares of the company JetBlue, the airline company JetBlue, JBLU stock ticker symbol. And it was on Yahoo, it was on CNN, it was on Rogers, some of the news channels. MohnishPabrai says, because he's one of the teachers of the cloning philosophy, so he says go and look and see what the great investors are doing. So where do you go and find out if these informations are correct, or how, first of all, how do those news channels come to know about his investment, right? So there is a place called Sec.gov, Security Exchange Commission, in US, where the URL is sec.gov. Say I'm an individual investor. If I buy any shares or a stock of a company for more than $10 million or close to $10 million, then as a rule, I need to submit a form called 13F or 13D. There are some categories, 13D and 13F, but basically it's 13, and let's say 13D. Okay, so I went to the sec.gov to make sure this information is true. So I went to the sec.gov and then searched his name, Carl Icahn, and then it popped up all the filings that he has done, and then I searched based on the dates. That was yesterday and day before yesterday, something like that, and then I was able to see all those forms pop up. And then when I opened and I went through the form, and please, I will request the viewers to watch this and see how the number of shares he has bought. Basically, like when I opened the 13F 13D form, you can see all the information, right? Basically, who is issuing the share, that is JetBlue, is the company, and who is buying the share, that is the Carl Icahn, and then how many number of shares he is buying in 13D form. Okay, I will just walk through that and you will understand how all this adds up to the like 33 million shares, and he bought at a rate of average price of I think $3.56 or close to $4. So this is kind of first step for us to find out who is cloning what. And now based on this, basically, now I can take this as a first step and then go and do more research on JetBlue company and see who else big investors are already invested there, and is the company worth, is the earnings are good, what else, like is it a fair value to buy now, what is the intrinsic value. If the current market price is off the price of the intrinsic value, then yeah, this is a good buy, right? A good buy. So those kind of thing, analyzing these 13D will help you to do more research, and you can take from there. We opened the 13D form. Okay, see, the first thing is the JetBlue Airways Corporation, who is the issuer, and the Icahn Capital is the purchaser. If you come down here, there is schedule 13D, number of shares, shared voting power, which is 14 million plus shares, okay, which is 4.14%. And then come all the way down here, they are buying at different dates. So another is the 19 million plus shares at a different date. Okay, so which is 5.77%. So when you add up 5.77% plus 4.1, it will be 9.77 or something, 9.91%, which will be 33 million and 621. Okay, yeah, that is the total. Okay, so that's the total. And if you see, come all the way down, you can see the dates they purchased, the dates. Okay, here you go. the the company they bought, who bought it, date of transaction, number of stocks, and price. You see all these. If you sum it up, it comes to 33 million. And what is the average price? You see average price of $4.25 per share.